Hear that constant drip? It's not just annoying, it's literally money going down the drain. A single leaky faucet can waste hundreds of gallons of water every year. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix it yourself in under 5 minutes, using parts that cost less than $5. No experience needed. Most people think they need a plumber for this, but in reality, the most common cause is a tiny rubber washer that simply wears out over time. It's a mechanical failure, not a mystery. Replacing it is one of the easiest home fixes you can learn, and I'm going to walk you through every single step. Before we start, let's get organized. You'll need an adjustable wrench, a flathead, and a Phillips screwdriver, and a multi-pack of washers. Pro tip: if you aren't sure which washer size you need, don't worry. I'll show you how to identify it once we get the faucet open. Step 1. Turn off the water supply under the sink. These small valves control the hot and cold lines. Turn them clockwise. If these valves are stuck or won't budge, don't force them. You may need to turn off the main water line to the house instead. Open the faucet to release remaining pressure. And here's the most important tip of the video. Close the drain. Use a stopper or a rag. If you drop a tiny screw down that pipe, a 5-minute fix becomes a 2-hour nightmare. Step 2. Remove the handle. Most faucets have a decorative cap, usually marked H or C. Use your flathead to gently pop it. Underneath, you'll find a screw. Remove it and lift the handle. If it feels stuck, it's just mineral buildup. Give it a firm wiggle. Now we're at the heart of the faucet. This is the stemmer cartridge. Before you grab the wrench, take a quick photo of how it sits. This ensures you put it back exactly the same way. Step 3. Use your adjustable wrench on the packing nut. Hold the faucet base with your other hand so it doesn't twist. Turn it slowly counterclockwise. Once it's loose, pull the stem straight out. This little piece right here is responsible for 80% of leaks. Look at this washer. See the flattening and the cracks? Water is literally sneaking through those gaps. This part is about 50 cents. Compare that to a $150 plumber visit and the choice is easy. Swap the old for the new, making sure it sits perfectly flush. Slide the stem back in. Tighten the packing nut until it's snug, but not over-tightened. If you crank it too hard, you'll crush the new washer and be right back where you started. Reattach the handle and the screw. Turn the water supply back on slowly. Let's test it. Total silence. No drips, no wasted water, and you just saved enough for a nice dinner out. This is a skill you'll use for the rest of your life. If this helped you save some cash today, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Check out the rest of the how-to library for more fixes that keep your home running smoothly. I'm Donna, and I'll see you in the next solution.